Area. Area. No be small thing, no. I no one answer Ellen Paul. I no answer her. No, I no answer her. She say even for afternoon I dey wear bow tie. I don't want to answer her. Now woman she be. My just no, my leave her. Now just the way she come here talk, you don't already know the kind of person when she be. So no need for me to come the answer and person we don't marry, they talk, even they who they back, you know say. Our people say when somebody wake Chris, they sing you, they dance on a tune agree. So my just leave her. Everything women not let report deceive you now. All this one she they talk. Don't suffer with man, don't suffer with this, don't do that. Man, we don't suffer, do this, go that. Don't deceive yourself. The only way you can get true love, now even man when you don't even suffer with. When they talk of suffer, if you know so you're frustrated, they shut na lie, you never get boyfriend. Let me tell you something, no matter how you take him, man must always play. But the truth of the matter is that you get friends where you and they don't grow, finish primary, secondary, university, they are still your friend. When I see they talk way back, things when I don't do, you're not from the come. That's so it be for relationship. No man where don't get money, billions, go come put you for house, give you the kind of respect when Ellen they talk, in no day. No man in no day. That is why you see some man go talk, say, don't, even though no matter the woman, say and the woman don't date together before, the woman go say, don't talk to my wife like that. She's my wife because they suffer together. Whenever they talk of suffer, I they ask myself one question when they report they talk. Say, woman they even suffer with man. As I then now one girl go come tell me say I go there, I have suffer for you. What did you help me do? You help me write joke? Let me tell you something. Women only live with man who have dream. Women smart well. Once they talk to them, they already know your future. 20 years ago, I don't know if I go be like this, but one babe, when me and a day, she don't already see my future. The way they do things, as they follow that they talk. One girl asked me that day, say I go there, if you make 20 million, what you go take and do? I begin tell them, I will buy a land, I will do this, I will do that. And then they put her joint. I said, then we will do this, we'll build a house. And they put her joint. We say, oh, I love you. She don't already know. And they talk, suffer with man, suffer with man. Waiting woman, they even suffer for. Now clothes you won't wash. These days, machine all day, 15,000 naira. Now food you want cook. These days, wakaram, book and food everywhere. Woman go come tell you, I go die after suffering with you. How? You follow me track? Look time now. After 12, my eye open. My wife, she dey sleep. Now suffer be that. Then you come tell they say, listen, let me tell you something. The only way any relationship can break it is what you are contributing. That is why they call it friendship. There must be something you are shipping into that man's life. It must not be money. Idea. I don't want to do swimming pool. One guy stand near me. I call the guy who want to do the swimming pool. He tell me say 4.5 million. I give and check 500,000. They think when I won't get the balance. As the guy they come out, the guy with me on a day, the guy call me. He said, why don't you just get some mala to dig this ground so that at the end of the day, call the man to come and supervise, buy the ties, buy the machine. At the end of the day, everything what we cost spend now 2 million naira. That guy does save me 2.5 million. So for me, I feel dash 1 million naira. I don't care. That is idea. Then guy go come and tell you, no, I go die after suffering with you, after doing this with you. Is this how you going to leave me? After giving you my body, what did I give you that firewood? When they verse me pass, or call they they swear for you. Let me tell you something, girls. Not be about swear, not be about prayer. All you need to do, put in your effort. Put in your effort. Do your best. Do your best. Let man always, you will complain, me and this man get together, he's still going to his S. Find out what the S they do. Then you can't talk, I go there, my God will not forgive you. Only you get God. It just be like say the God now you just get that you can say my God. Any small thing you don't swear. Listen, let me tell you something. Even the gods of this land, they not they work again. Now before night gods they work because that time of gogoro now in the scene, brandy, they don't pour off all of their eye. All the gods they are high. You can't swear. He said gods, even the gods, no, forget. Can't swear. I go die. God will not forgive you. After giving you my body, God will not forgive you. One girl, what you they swear for? The girl you tell me, I go die. After giving you my body, before I just look, she just come out one air for a year. They can they swear. Me worry boy. Now me they swear for. You're like, my God will not forgive you. This hell I just pull. I pull it with pace from the depth of my heart. My God will not forgive you. She throw me worry boy. I just look at 9 times house, carry clipper, come outside. Pull my own trouser, pull the clipper. Pull my hair, I even Baba Bololo. Pack all of them for hand too. My God too will not forgive you. Put in your best. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. This one not do this one. This one not do that. Men, hustle. Make money. Make money. Make money. Before woman will love you. Make money. Make money. If you don't have money, behave yourself. Behave yourself. If you don't get money, talk gay. We understand. Talk gay. Not just get money, just. We're going to say yes, we not get. Now make can be like that. You know how? Take a story. Story anyhow. Story. Take story anyhow. Put story anyhow. Hustle. Work hard. Women, they are not there to come and do this with you. Forget. Behave yourself. Hustle for them. Work for them. Work hard for them. So that they can look good. You're there, they put story in here. They say this, that. One thing.